Side hustles that will get you through the coming recession. I have some terrible news, but also some really good news. Economists are convinced we're headed for possibly one of the worst recessions of our generation. And if you're not prepared, it could take everything from you. Before you start crying, this might be your lucky day, because I'm about to reveal 6 side hustles that thrive in a recession. These strategies will help you win while others fall. Trust me, you're going to want to know them. There's one secret in particular toward the end that's a non-negotiable for thriving during the worst times. This crisis could also be your greatest opportunity yet. After spending years studying recessions, I've learned some shocking lessons. The most surprising of them was how certain side hustles actually soar during financial crisis. This is mainly because big companies fold due to excessive overheads and being over-leveraged. Small, nimble businesses then pick up their stranded customers and take off. If you live in the US, you've probably noticed the increasing number of empty business buildings and stores and the mounting headlines of corporations shutting down. Toys R Us, Sears, Forever 21, JCPenney, Hertz, Bed Bath & Beyond, and many others have declared bankruptcy in just the last few years. Most of them, like Toys R Us, Sears, Bed Bath & Beyond, closed all their locations, while others have closed most. All of this is happening, and we're not even technically in a recession yet. Believe it or not, this is good for certain small businesses and side hustles. I'm going to tell you exactly which ones and how to capitalize. But listen, you need to act now, before the crisis is in full swing and everyone and their mom discover these hustles. Before I give you my list, a quick disclaimer. I am not guaranteeing in any way that you'll have similar results to me or any of the ones I suggest are possible. I'm not a certified financial advisor myself, but we do consult with certified professionals for our content. Now, the first hustle that will do well in the coming recession is tutoring. A lot of parents will move their kids out of expensive schools or relocate to smaller, cheaper towns that may have crappy school districts. They'll need online tutors to supplement their kids' education. Tutors can make up to $150 per hour depending on experience and demand. You don't have to be a professional. You can teach anything you're good at. From skills that don't need certification like time management, playing musical instruments, video editing, etc., to academic subjects that do need certification. Comment below if you'd like to be referred to a great tutoring company. By the way, I'm doing this for zero charge, so please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you're getting value from this. Also, share this video so we can help as many people as possible. The people you don't share this video with could end up being the ones nagging you for cash later. Help yourself by helping them. The second hustle is used furniture brokering. Since people will be moving to cut expenses, most of them can't afford to move with all of their furniture. In the US, they typically just leave it on the curb. The trick is to go to wealthy neighborhoods and place ads at malls offering to collect unwanted furniture for free. These people often dispose of expensive items, in great condition too. You can then resell these online. Comment below if you want us to show you how to sell furniture online with no experience. We're affiliated with sites that already get thousands of online used furniture customers every day. We help create your ad and make it rank for no upfront charge. We just request a tiny commission if the sale goes through. Number 3, moving services. You don't have to have your own truck. You can find work and subcontract it very easily. We explain this in detail in a video I linked in the description. Number 4, e-commerce. Customers tend to shop online more to find better deals. We reveal a unique way of doing e-commerce with $0 in our previous side hustle post. I've linked it in the description below. Number 5, meal prep and delivery. People stop eating out, so services that provide pre-cooked meals or meal kits can capitalize on consumers' desire for affordable, healthy, home-cooked food without the hassle of meal planning. No matter how bad things get, people will need to eat every day. You can't go wrong with food. You just need to know how to find clients. Comment below if you do and we'll respond with tips on where and how to find customers in your city. Number 6, Freelancer. Whatever your skills or area of expertise, especially if it can be done remotely, the demand for it will increase. Big companies typically cut a big part of their workforce and outsource to cheaper freelancers. This saves them the expenses associated with permanent employees, like salaries, benefits, office space, and HR headaches. So, get your services listed on Fiverr or Upwork. If you've stayed this far in with me, as promised, I have a great tip for you. This could be the difference between surviving and truly thriving. Cash is king during a recession. People will be selling valuable things, electronics, cars, houses for pennies on the dollar. If you have cash on hand, you can grab deals of a lifetime. Start raising cash now by selling things you don't need while you can still get good money for it. Be frugal and save every penny you can. Put all that money in high yield accounts, and when the desperate selling begins, you'll be ready. For even more side hustle tips, check out our video on 4 side hustles that will make you rich. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Now, go make that paper.